If you have dry, damaged, brittle hair and you want shiny, lustered, long hair and you want your hair to grow, watch this video. In this video, I'll be making the product, placing it in the hair, styling it, everything you need to know. Hi there, welcome to my channel, you guys. Get 3 eggs, mayonnaise, and avocado. Don't forget your fork and a glass plate. Let's get started. Eggs, you guys, are so great for your hair. It helps hair growth, it helps damaged hair, repairs damages hair, and it gets your hair very thick and it just looks and feels better. It's a great conditioner. Mayonnaise, who would think that mayonnaise helps damaged hair? But it does. Mayonnaise can give your hair a nice healthy look and deep condition. Mayonnaise has a lot of vitamins too and fatty acids and moisturizer, and it seals your hair. But don't forget your avocado. Your avocado is great for new hair growth. If you want your hair to grow and it moisturizes your hair, it gets away a frizz and it really enhances the shine of your hair, and it fixes dry hair and damaged hair. It's protein in it. It's all healthy, vitamin E. So stir it up really fine, really good. You guys, I need to turn up, get ready, get excited, because this protein mask is going to get my hair cracking. As you see, it is totally dry and brittle and breaking off. Even my edges are so damaged. Let's get it nice and thick and defined. Let's get it started. Now I'm motivated. Now I'm ready. Ooh, stinks really bad. I mean, like really bad. But it's gonna be great for my hair, and I'm so excited to put it in. So my hair's still parted. Just gently gonna go through my hair with my fingers and separate it in different little parts. And I'm gonna apply it on with my fingertips. Now I am making this video just a little bit faster, so make sure you're more gentle with your hair. Treat it very gentle, like a little baby. Now it's time to apply this protein mask. So I just place it on my fingertips and I just rub it in. I work it through the tips, working my way up in sections. Avocado is rich in moisturizing fatty acids that nourish and strengthens the hair follicles. So the hair follicles is what it's holding your hair in place in your head, you guys, and it's going to strengthen that. So that means you're not going to lose that much hair, and it's going to be healthier and stronger from the root. That provides new hair growth and shiny hair, moisturized hair, long hair, and it has vitamin E. This is wonderful, you guys. And it's going to protect and restore damaged hair and hair that's dry too. But don't forget, it has eggs in here, so you guys, remember, put eggs. You don't have to put 3 eggs. I just decided to do 3 eggs, but you could do 2, 1 eggs, whatever you got. Just put it in there. The eggs is going to help stimulate hair growth as well, and it has fatty acids too, and biotin. Biotin is in the eggs, so that's going to be great too. It increases and generates new hair. This product generates new hair growth. So this is great. It's going to replace damaged hair also and give you a lot of volume. And it's going to make your hair really luster and thick and healthy and shiny. And I put the 2 or 3 teaspoons of mayonnaise in there. Mayonnaise, you guys, is making the product very stinky. But it's going to soften and shiny and smooth. My hair is going to feel so soft, shiny, smooth. And mayonnaise is a good match. Like it's like a conditioner basically. So the mayonnaise is just going to make it really soft, shiny, and juicy. Mayonnaise again has fatty acids in there, and it has vitamins that can boost and shine and seal the moist in your hair. So with all that says, let's finish up. So now I just twisting it together and really making for sure it's just really drenched in my hair. I'm doing just a nice little twisty on top of my head, so when I lay down at night, it doesn't get messed up. Now you can use any plastic you want. I just like to really seal that moisturizer, so I use this. I'm just wrapping it on there. You could do a plastic bag, whatever. I'm just doing saran wrap, and I double it up with the bag. Your body temperature already heats it up, so you don't have to sit under the dryer. Hey you guys, so now it's time to wash this stuff out of my hair. So you see how I put the bandana around, so it keeps all the juice, it keeps the curls all juicy. And then this is just a little rubber band. And then a plastic bag. You can use any kind of bag. And then I just braid it. But sometimes I twist it, it just depends. So I'm gonna do a rinse. And again, I'm gonna use no shampoo. Just gonna leave in the leave-in conditioner from Kinky Curly Knots Today, and a 3-minute Miracle Pantene. And my favorite, the cold wash for As I Am. This is a really great product. It really helped my hair to grow long. So, I'm giving you guys a lot of great hair tips, so I really hope that this works for you guys and you guys try it. Make for sure the water is not really warm. It's more like room temperature or a little bit cold. That's really great for your hair because it helps seal whatever you put on your hair in your hair. And so I'm just being really gentle, taking out the braids, and going to rinse out the hair. Get it really nice and wet. Alright, so I'm going to get my Kinky Curly Knots Today Natural Leave-In Detangler Conditioner. Just going to apply some of this in the hair, and this is really going to help me get all the knots out and tangles. I usually section off my hair in little sections as I apply it in, but I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, as you brush through your hair, I'm gonna do the As I Am Coconut Cold Wash. It smells great, you guys. This is a cleanser, cream, conditioner leave-in. It helps detangle your hair, has coconut oil, castor oil, it's organic, and this is just one of my favorite products. This actually really helps me to detangle my hair. It brings in it helps moisturize my hair, softens my hair, and it really helps me to comb through it. Yay! After washing it. Oh yeah, and did I say it smells good? When I apply this on my hair, I always section off in pieces again so it can seal the moisturizer and get shiny. Don't forget those edges. Alright, so now again I'm going to rinse it with cold water, you guys. Cold water keeps the scalp healthy and manage, any issues with the hair. Alright, just got out the shower. All detangled. It's getting dry very quickly, so let's get to it. I use extra olive oil when it's wet. I just put it on the middle of my hair, not quite the scalp, but not quite the tips, right in the middle, usually. My favorite, Kinky Curly. Love this stuff. Go through it so fast. Let's put a little bit this on the tips so I can brush through it. I'm very gentle when I brush. If you have time to put your hair in sections, that's good. I just do 2 parts. I used to do 4, but it's getting easier the longer my hair gets because the curl pattern is getting stretched. See? Okay. You guys, this is the biggest secret out of everything. This gel is awesome. I love this gel. It's really great. Now it's not organic, but it does not make my hair flake at all, and it's not too crunchy. It's just perfect, and it can last for almost 4 or 5 days in my hair. So I'm just doing little sections. So I put some in this section, and usually I use a spray bottle, but we're gonna speed the process a little bit. So that's good. And I go through this quite fast, but you really don't need that much. A little bit goes a long way. And I found this going into a barber shop. It's not something that they're trying to promote for women, or maybe not even promote for curly hair. I don't know, but I love this stuff. Now it looks stringy right now, but when it dries, it's gonna be great. All right, just make sure it's get it all good in there. Okay, I like it medium, so I don't make my hair too crunchy, but just crunchy enough where the curls are a little bit defined. It gets rid of some of the frizz. I think I apply more in the front than the back. Looks good. My hair is tangled free. The eggs and the mayonnaise worked for me. Pretty happy with my results. So let's get this little bit of frizz right in there. And we're just gonna lightly rub it right in there. So I don't want this big puff ball hiding in there. Alright, let's see what it looks like in the back. I don't use a blow dryer. Most people do. I just let it naturally dry. My hair will be dry probably within an hour, and I will show you guys the results. I think it came out very nice. Hope you guys love it. I decided to put a little bronzer on for you guys. It's a lot of body. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you guys follow me on Instagram. I'll like you back. I have 3 different Instagrams down there. My jewelry one, that's Chablee, and my personal one.